Hello, dear friends and students. I am Mahesh Machandra, Assistant Professor at Department of Agronomy. Today we discuss chapter number 6, classification of soil water, soil moisture constant, soil moisture and characteristic curve. So firstly we discuss the classification of soil water. So first one is the type of soil water. It is the hygroscopic water, capillary water and gravitational water. Three are major classification of soil water. First, soil moisture constant. Soil moisture constant is nothing but the status of the soil mass or changes occurring in the soil mass after the irrigation or rainfall. These phenomena help to find out the soil moisture status, the availability condition of soil moisture, time and quantity of irrigation water to be applied. Oven dry soil weight. One of the state of the soil moisture availability. This is the base for all soil moisture calculations. This term is used to describe soil water status when a soil sample is dried at 105 degrees Celsius in a hot air oven till the sample lost no more water and the final weight is recorded as oven dry weight. Air dry weight, this is a variable constant. Under the average condition, an area dry soil holds water at a tension of 1000 atmosphere. Hygroscopic coefficient, it is expressed in percent on the basis of oven dry soil. At this point, the water is at tension of 31 atmosphere and is also referred to as hygroscopic water. Coefficient variance with the soil types, its texture and organic matter content. Permanent wilting point, one of the next soil moisture constant. It is the condition of soil moisture at which plant cannot extract water from soil due to the high tension. The plant's wilting cannot be changed by further addition of water. The plant cannot regain its rigidity even though water is made available to the plants. This condition is called as permanent wilting point. Next, field capacity. Field capacity is the moisture constant in percentage of the soil on open dry basis when it has been completely saturated and downward movement of excess water as particularly practically scarce. So the soil moisture held by the soil against the gravitational force is called as field capacity. This stage is reached within 2 to 3 days after a heavy shower of rain or heavy irrigation, means 48 to 72 hours. Moisture equivalent. It is the amount of moisture in percentage on the oven dry basis held by 30 gram 1 centimeter thick oven dry soil when subjected to the 1000 times of gravitational force in a centrifuge for 30 minutes. Maximum capillary capacity. When water is added to the soil whose field capacity is already reached, the water goes on thickening the moisture film. A stage is then reached after which any further addition of water will get percolated down by the force of gravity. This is the point of maximum capillary capacity. Maximum water holding capacity, it is the percentage of water content of a soil fully saturated with all its pores completely filled with water under restricted drainage. Maximum amount of water can be held until all the micro and macro spores are filled with water. This water is called as a maximum water holding capacity. Then we discuss about last point, it is the soil moisture characteristic curve. The study of the amount of water present in the soil at various tensions is required to understand. First, the amount of water available to the plant. B. Water that can be given to each irrigation. Third, water that can be held or retained by the soil before deep percolation starts. Soil moisture tension does indicate neither moisture constant of soil nor the amount of moisture that can be withdrawn for plant use at any particular tension. Generally, tension and water content are indirectly proportional. That is, when the tension increases, soil moisture content is decreases. Soil moisture characteristic curve, moisture extraction curve, we can say, is more strongly affected by soil texture. The shape of the soil, the shape of the clay soil curve is almost a straight line with bends to end while it is L shaped in case of a sandy soil. At 5 to 6 atmosphere tension, the soil moisture percentage is around 15, 35 and 45 centimeter percentage respectively in sand, loam and clay soil. In that figure, we have to show the soil moisture tension in atmosphere and available soil moisture in percentage. So these three lines are indicate first line sand soil, second middle line it is a silt soil line, and clay soil. It will be show the fluctuation of or water losses. It will be increases the soil moisture tension. It is low down the soil moisture ability of soil moisture. So it will be very easily understanding this soil moisture constant and soil moisture characteristic curve. I hope all of you understand. Thank you very much.